Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're the shelf manufacturer of a 30 years retail shelf factory from China. If you're opening a boutique, beauty shop, stationery store, or Miniso-style variety shop and can't pick suitable display racks, this video is for you. Lots of overseas shop owners waste money on bad shelves. Sharp edges look cheap. Dark panels make your store cramped. Thin boards deform quickly after months of use. Today, I will break down this rounded, matte light gray shelf right beside me. Its biggest highlight is the fully curved integrated frame, no sharp corners at all. It's safe for store with kids and create a soft, minimalist vibe loved by Korean and Japanese style shops. The matte light gray tone matches almost all goods, from skincare, plush toys to stationery and homeware. It won't steal attention from your product but makes them look more premium. All inner shelves are height adjustable, perfect for tall perfume bottles or tiny makeup samples. We use 25mm thick scratch-resistant boards, durable for over 8 years of daily store use. And the bottom closed cabinet gives you the hidden storage for spare stock to keep display tidy. And this shelf supports 4 customization, warm LED light strips, wood green side panels, custom size and printed store logos. It fits 4 main store types perfectly: Miniso daily goods boutiques, Korean inns, beauty shops, handmade stationery gift stores, plus mother and baby and fragrance shops. Many of our overseas clients upgrade to this shelf and so longer customer browsing time. If you're a shop owner, designer, or wholesaler, our factory provides one-stop customization service and global shipping. Leave your question in comments or DM me to a free store layout plan and factory catalog. If this video helps you, hit likes, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.